Learn. Now we will see word problems related to addition and subtraction. Now the difference between first problem, the difference between two numbers is the difference between two numbers is 24,50,172. Find the bigger number if the smaller number is the smaller number is 15,28,978. Okay, this is the problem. The difference between two numbers is given. Find the bigger number if the smaller number is 15,28,978. Now solution. The difference between two numbers. Difference means what? Suppose minuend, subtrahend, and the answer we call it as difference. The difference is given, that is the result of the subtraction is given. The difference between the two numbers is 24,50,172. The result of subtraction, what we call difference. The difference is given. Find the bigger number. Bigger number means we have to find minuend. If the smaller number is 15,28,978. Minuend we want. I told already minuend how we will get. Minuend is equal to subtrahend plus difference. Both we have to add. Minuend is equal to subtrahend plus difference. Now here also, by looking the question, you see difference is given, we have to subtract both. Don't do like that. What we have to understand is difference is given, subtrahend is given. They are asking minuend. Minuend is nothing but here that gives the bigger number. Okay, that is the bigger number is equal to smaller number plus difference. Bigger number is equal to smaller number plus difference. Subtraction here. First we write difference is equal to 24,50,172 and smaller number is equal to 15,28,978. And now what we have to find? We have to find the bigger number. Bigger number is question mark. And how we will get the bigger number? Bigger number means you have to assume it is a minuend. Bigger number is equal to difference plus smaller number. Difference plus smaller number. Both if we add, we get the bigger number. Now let's see what is that bigger number by adding. Now both I am adding, that is 24,50,172 and 15,28,978. Now what is the total? 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. Now 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 10 plus 1, 11 and 9, 7, 9, 3. Okay, 39 lakhs. What is the bigger number? 39,79,150. Okay, let's take one more problem. What should be added to 34,76,415 to get 67 lakhs 43,109. What should be added to 34 lakhs 76,415 to get 67 lakhs 43,103? For example, let us assume small digits. Instead of this, I am assuming 3, and to get, suppose, tell me what I should add to this 3 to get 8. What I should add to this 3? What I should add? What should be added to 3? What should be added to get 8? Now here 3 plus what gives 8? That is, we know the, here these two are known as what? 3 and question mark. Those two are known as addends, and we call it as sum. If you want any one addend, addend is equal to any one addend. Addend, how we will get? Sum minus one addend gives the other addend. Okay, that is 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. That is, sum minus one addend gives the other addend. Here also they are one addend is given. They are asking another addend to get 67 lakh 43,109. Okay. What should be added to 34 lakh 76,415? What we have to add to get 67 lakh 43,109? To get the other addend is equal to sum minus one addend. Sum minus one addend, that is 67 lakh 43,109 minus 34 lakh 76,415. The difference of these two gives the, what we have to add to this number we came to know. Now 9 minus 5 is 4. Now 0, we cannot subtract 1. Now 10, borrowing. 10 minus 1, 9. Now it is 0, borrowing from this 3. 10 minus 4, 6. Now 2 only left with. We cannot subtract 6 again, borrowing. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now left with 3. Again 7 we cannot subtract, borrowing again. 13 minus 7 is 6. Now it is only 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 3, 3. That is, what we have to add to this 34 lakh 76,415 to get 67 lakhs, that is, the number is 32 lakh 66,694. By seeing added, don't add these two. You have to keenly observe what should be added to this number, to what we have to add to get 67 lakh 43,109. To know that number, we want addend. Addend is equal to sum minus difference. Addend is equal to. Okay, now let's see another word problem. Third one. By how much does 82 lakhs 53,645 exceed 53 lakhs 64,563? Okay, by how much? We know 8 is exceeding than 5. Okay, 8 is exceeding, 8 is more than 5. How much more? 8 is more. 8 is bigger number than 5. How much more means, what we have to do? We will do subtraction. 8 minus 5, different. How much more? 8 minus 5 is 3. That is, 8 is more than 5 by 3. Here also 82 lakh 53,645 is bigger number. It is exceeding means it is bigger than this number. By how much? By how much means, what we have to do? Subtraction. That is 82 lakh 53,645 minus 53 lakh 64,563. Subtract these two. 5 minus 3, 2. 4 minus 6, we cannot subtract. Borrow. 14 minus 6, 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now already one borrowed from 6, left with 500. 500 minus 500, 0. Okay. Now thousands, again 4000 we cannot subtract from 3000, borrowing. Now 13. 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 is 12, how much? 9 only, no? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. Now already from 5 1 borrowed, left with 4. Again 6 we cannot subtract from 4, borrowing again 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 14 minus 6 is 8, that is 6 plus 8 gives 14. Now left with only 1, borrowing again 11. 11 minus 3 is 11 minus 3 gives what? 8. Now here already from 8 1 borrowed, left with 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. Therefore how much we have to add to this 53,64,563 to get this number? 28,89,082. How much is exceeding, how much it is given? What we are doing here? Subtraction. Okay. Thank you. Multiplication, about in detail multiplication we will see in the next video.